Okay, hi guys. I am done making these mini stuffed peppers, and it is from my cookbook, Eat, Love, Gather, Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen, so I hope you check it out. The link is right there in my post, but I made appetizer for Chris's poker buddies.
Yes.
Woo-hoo. And then Chris is over there cleaning up, just like I gotta do. Oh dear. So anyway, I'm not going to be here for when they're done cooking. So if Chris does remember, maybe he'll take a photo. If not, that's okay too. I just want to know, my cookbook is filled with lots of recipes for a lot of different occasions or whatever you may be lost for an idea. So anyway, whoa. I hope you check it out. My cookbook. So I've got to end it with cheers. Oh, the other one I made too was crab meat stuffed mushrooms, or crab stuffed mushrooms. And you can find that over at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen as well on my recipes. So anyway, have a great day.